Within IoT forensics, especially for IoT, we're going to need for some resources and some sources that would bring us more evidence, and we want to see that. So Shodan IO would be one of the platform that would be for that purpose. And why is that? So if you go to Explore, you would have the industrial control system. So this would be the place where you would be looking all about the ICS, SCADA, IoTs, industrial IoTs, all those protocols that are still used in industry for communication, Modbus, Siemens, BACnet, a lot of those. And each one of those would have its own vulnerabilities and issues from security perspectives. And when I use the Shodan as a search live to reveal how exposed those IoT devices can be found online. So each one of those quick searches that I'm going to use would be exposing one or the other. So for example, port 502, that would expose the what Modbus protocols that is used by SCADA. So this way we would get to know and which one would be. So if we would check one or the other, that would be showing that the port 502, which is a Modbus, that would be kind of behind any IoT device, would be able to be exposed here. So it's not a good place to be on the Shodan whenever you would find that exposed. So then if you would see for the port, for example, port 23, that would be something devices with a telnet. So all those would be filters that we would use to find more evidences about that particular IoT device that has been found, that has been exposed, experienced some incidents. And all the time we step in on the Shodan, so we want to make sure that that is not exposed there. If it's there, we're going to let know the organization and investigate that further, what could be the details that would be exposed. But there are a lot of filters and searches that we can use. So for example, if we use port 1883 that mostly we covered over the series of demonstrations, that would be MQTT protocol that is used, message queuing telemetry transport, and we can find more and more on that. Or we want to combine those tags. So each one of those would serve some good. But if you want to see more on ICS protocols, you would have all those whenever you click here, Explore Modbus. So that brings you that result that could be found that all those port 502 exposed show me.